It's time to go on that long tour that you got your Royal Enfield motorcycle for. Before setting off, you should be able to fix your luggage safely on your motorcycle. Here are the steps to follow. For this, you will need 2 loop bungee ropes. First, park the vehicle on the center stand on a flat and firm surface. Set tire pressure of the front and rear wheels as recommended to suit the luggage weight. Now identify the rope anchoring points on your motorcycle. Right hand footrest bracket. Right hand side grab rail. Sari guard mounting. Left hand side grab rail. Always remember to distribute the weight equally across the bag when you pack your stuff, so that the luggage volume is equal on both the sides of the vehicle. Keep in mind not to pack more than 7 kg of weight in your bag. Also, try and pack heavy items at the bottom of the luggage, around the central area. Now let's have a look at how to tie the bungee to the anchoring areas provided. First, insert the hook of one end of the bungee into the right hand side footrest bracket. Loop the rope and around the right hand side grab rail mount. Now pull the rope over the luggage tightly and loop it around the left hand side grab rail mount. Finally, hook the rope into the sari guard mounting. Take the other bungee rope and hook it to the sari guard mount. Loop it across the guardrail mounts on the opposite sides, while pulling it over the luggage tightly. Finally, hook it to the right-hand side bracket. Remember to keep distance between the luggage and the tail lamp. Always remember to loop the bungee rope around the guardrail and keep the rope away from the rear suspension to avoid any damage. Also, never hook the bungee to the guardrail to avoid damage to the rail and prevent the hook to slip away. Always use genuine Royal Enfield parts and accessories for safety and durability. You are all set to go on your next long ride. Ride safe.